In this video, we will show you how to conduct a factory reset on an iPhone. To begin with, locate and open the Settings app on the home screen. If you have signed into your Apple ID, you will see this information at the top of the screen. Tap on this and it will take you into your Apple ID settings for this device. At the bottom of this screen, you will see a button to sign out. Tap this and you will be prompted to type your password into the required box. Once you have done this, tap Turn Off at the top right of the screen. You will then be asked if you would like to keep a copy of your data on this phone. Select your answer, then tap Sign Out at the top right of the screen and again on the pop-up notification. The iPhone will then copy any requested iCloud data before signing you out of this device. Once you have signed out, scroll down and tap on General, then scroll to the bottom of the new page until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap this and then in the new window, tap Erase All Content and Settings. In the next window, select Continue, then Erase iPhone on the pop-up. This will begin the factory reset process for this device. It can take a while, so this video has been sped up. This is a very important step to take for when you are either returning your iPhone to your service provider or if you wish to sell a device you own. Once the reset has finished, your iPhone will restart onto the initial setup program. Your device has now been factory reset.